Hey creative friends, welcome to my channel and welcome to another Simply Earth unboxing. And this is for September and we're almost at the end of the month, but honestly, this has been sitting here for like 2 weeks. I can't believe I didn't get into it yet because I love these. And this is a big box. I may have ordered something, I don't remember, or it might be time for my they send you all the bottles and everything you need for 6 months worth of recipes. And they send it to you the first month and then like each 7th month after that. So I don't even know. Oh no, I ordered some stuff. Oh, I ordered the new thing. I'm so excited. Okay, here we are. I ordered their new scent. I got roll-on. It's called Unicorn and it's supposed to be amazing. I got a couple of roll-ons. Oh, it just had great reviews, and it's a special thing. I think you have to be a subscriber to get it, but I can't wait. I gotta smell it. Thought it'd be so good. What does it have in it? It has grapefruit, lemon, sweet orange, and jasmine. Oh, that sounds like it's gonna be fabulous. Let me smell. Oh, that is so good. Oh my gosh, I love that. Okay, so I'm so glad I ordered those. And I ordered them and just had them added to this box so you don't have to pay shipping. Unicorn. Oh, so good. Inspired by they actually have a new children's book out called Aroma the Unicorn. And it's calming, uplifting, and may even be magical. You'll love this joyful blend. Remember to dilute it. Add 5 drops of unicorn essential oil per teaspoon of carrier oil. But you know what? I need to double check, but I feel like all of the ingredients in here are safe around animals. So I might just make sure and go out and put that in a diffuser in my living room because it smells wonderful. Okay, so now let's get into this box. All right, here is, ooh, this is the monthly box. Oh, I know what I ordered. I ordered another one of these wooden boxes right here for my duplicate oils because I have a lot. You can see, like, I have a lot. But I use them, so I will order 3 or 4 of something because I want to make sure I have it. Like, I just went and did all of my cleaning supplies. Oh, I'm going to go get my bottles and show you guys what I did. All right, I put my box away. But what I did, because I like to use all natural things, vinegar, baking soda, borax, things like that in my house. I cannot tell you, honestly, I cannot remember when the last time I bought like a cleaning thing at the store, like a chemical that I would use for cleaning. But like I got these cool bottles and I used you can find recipes everywhere, but honestly, I think here I had, they actually have here at Simply Earth, I printed off, there's recipes and oils that you should use, you can use that are favorites for cleaning. And then there's recipes for all these things. So I got my bottles and I got my Cricut and I labeled them all. And these all sit, I have one of those 3-tiered carts. It's got all my um, rags and things like that and my dusting. So this is a heavy duty degreaser, and I'm gonna tell you what, I used it on my stove. It's amazing. And I even put here, use with baking soda if needed. So if you got something really tough, you spray it on there, put a little baking soda, give it a little spray, and then scrub it, and it will degrease. It's amazing. The General Freshening Multi-Purpose. I just use this all the time. I will grab this. This is my blend. It's got, I think this is my blend, all-purpose cleaner for, yes, this is my blend. I have a little bit of vinegar in there and some essential oils and my water. And I will just go around the house and and it's these cleaning tablets too. The Simply Earth cleaning tablets. You know how they have the new cleaning things where you buy the bottle and you buy the little tablet and you add your own water? That's basically what they've been doing for a long time. And these are dynamo by themselves. It's really good. They're all natural. So I put one of those in there, some water and some of the oils. Each one of them have different oils that they smell good. This is the all-purpose cleaner, and it's great. I use it on my cabinets. I use it all over. I use it in the bathroom. I use it all over the place. It's terrific. Floor cleaner is got a little bit of vinegar in it, and it's got water and different essential oils that I put in there. And I change up the smells, the oils, as the seasons go. So that's kind of cool. And what I do with this, you can make it and put it in a hot bucket if you're going to mop, like a hot water in your bucket if you're going to mop. But I have the laminate floors. You don't want to necessarily get those. I don't like to use a mop on them. So I've got one of the, it's like a microfiber moppy thing, and I'll spray this on the floor and then wipe it. Turns out great. Glass cleaner is just vinegar, water, and I put some essential oils in there because it smells wonderful. And these I already did. I did these so that they smell like fall. So now all my cleaning in my house doesn't smell like the same thing every time. Like if you buy it at the store, I customize it to, the season. Okay, that's enough of that. Essential oil, monthly essential oil recipe box. Let's see what we got. Ooh, I don't even know. What is that? A weighted eye mask. Neat. Okay, there's this. Oh, look, cleaning tablets. Cannot have enough of those. I actually just order those. Dried lavender flowers, so there must be something wonderful. This one, oh, okay. We got eucalyptus, defender, cedarwood, and this tiny one, which is bay. Okay, I have bay. So these would be my duplicates. I'm a duplicate of these, so I've got another box to put them in. But let's look at what this month, what we're going to make. What are the recipes? And I'll make these 2 recipes each Friday. So the Beautyrest weighted eye pillow. So the only thing you're going to need from your house is flaxseed, buckwheat, millet, or rice. And then it's a weighted eye pillowcase, which you have here. There's another thing too. I don't know. And it's kind of like that thing that I did when I did my, little muscle thing. Okay, there you go. There's that, and then there's this. All right, so it says, remove the inner pouch. Oh, okay, it's an inner pouch. This inner pouch goes inside of here. And then you're going to put your rice in there. It's going to be scented with, you're going to put some lavender buds in there. That's going to be nice. And cedarwood. That's going to be nice on your eyes when you're trying to relax. That's perfect. Okay. Then a Home Defender cleaning spray. How handy. As soon as I am done with my 16-ounce spray bottle that I bought, I will put 40 drops of Defender in there, which actually I think is what is in my multi-purpose cleaning spray right now, is just so that I can use Defender, which is the best, and 1 cleaning tablet. I believe that that's pretty much the recipe that I have. Breath of fresh air from your box. Bay, eucalyptus, and you're going to pour your water into a boil, add into a bowl, boiling water, hot water, and while the water is hot, lower your head near the water, inhale deeply for respiration. I could use that right now because I have allergies like so bad. So breath of fresh air is going to be bay and eucalyptus in a steamy water that you're going to inhale. Breathe deep, roll on. Eucalyptus, bay, cedarwood in a roll-on bottle. This is going to be awesome. And then a September Stroll diffuser blend. This blend will have Defender, eucalyptus, bay, and cedarwood, all 4 of the oils that came with the kit. And you're going to be able to make a whole little bottle of, where you can already make it, or they give you the 1 drop of Defender, 1 eucalyptus, 1 bay, and 2 drops of cedarwood if you're just doing 1 little diffusing. But if you want to make a little tiny bottle, a 5 ml bottle, it tells you how many drops of each so that you can have like a little bottle already made with the September Stroll diffuser blend. And then Sleepy Bug chest rub. Ooh, that sounds fabulous. It says it is safe for kids 2 and older, and you're going to basically make like a rub, like a chest rub, a mentholatum kind of a rub. But you're going to use cedar wood, and it's all going to go in this tube. How handy. So you can have in your tube your coconut oil, almond oil, beeswax, cedar wood, and you're going to put that in and like put it on your chest. Oh, that's such a good idea. Okay. Then everyday essentials. I love the fact that they have these little QR codes that you can scan and get another free guide, respiration. And that's what these are. These are like extensions. So you're going to get another guide that'll be like this, that's just going to give you even more that you can do with your box of oils. So you're not just making like a box of a few recipes and you're done. You're going to be able to make a whole bunch of more recipes by scanning that. And then here's an everyday essentials. Scan this and you're going to get a different everyday essentials guide. Best natural lotion recipe, and it tells you all the things you need. And you can scan that and get the recipe. So there's extra things you can do. And when making insurance, oh, and then of course they want you to put that on their social media. So, and here's all the labels. You got labels for everything. And I like that they put the date on there so that you know when you made it. Like these reset bath melts I made in July. So I know that they're not going to get old before I have an opportunity to use them. Or if I see the date on there, I can say, hey, I got to get busy and use those things. So let's look at the back of the cards and see what they got. Oh, here it is. This is the one I like. You're making a difference. Did you know Simply Earth gives 13% of our profits to organizations that end human trafficking? This month, they are supporting a Rescue Freedom. Rescue Freedom is focused on preventing and ending human trafficking through community awareness, anti-trafficking policies, law enforcement, culture change, rescue, aftercare, and so much more. Thank you for changing lives like by supporting Rescue Freedom. That's cool. And then there's a note from Katie. She's the person who put this whole thing together for us. And then a sneak peek at next month's box. That's super cool. We're going to get Relief, Copaiba, Bergamot, and Capjit. Those will be the oils that we get next month. This is cool too because now I know what's coming up next month and I can look, and if I have too many duplicates, I will need to get more. And I'll tell you what, I have probably 4 bottles of Relief. But why do I have it? Because I use the heck out of that stuff. I make roll-ons, I make lotions. It's the best stuff ever for muscles. I'm telling you, it's so good. So I don't care if I'm getting some more of that. And then the September recipe box here tells you the oils that you have here. And the nice thing is it tells you if they're dog safe, which Defender, Bay, and Eucalyptus really are not dog safe or cat safe, but cedarwood is. So you can use those things. And I like that they tell us those things. And they also tell us if it's kid safe for over 2 or over 10 and just stuff like that. So it's good stuff. So there it is. This is the September Simply Earth Essentials, Essential Oils subscription box that I love. I get every month. And I hope you enjoy it. And now I got to get busy and make some recipes for you. So as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.